Prepare your phones to take screenshots because I'm about to name for you 7 of the most popular doors used in interior design. Let's start with the hidden door. It follows the wall design and complete its pattern. Commonly, it's used to hide the dirty kitchen or to design a hidden wardrobe or to hide the safe room. Bifold is one of the most famous selections when it comes to partitions and space dividers, as well as the sliding doors, whether they were pocket doors that go inside the side walls or barn doors that are mostly used in farmhouse styles. When there is no space for a sliding door, we can always get the same design using French door. Number 7, Bifold Doors, another level of elegance. These doors can be in different materials and different shapes. The glass doors, solid wood, mirror doors. However, they have to suit the interior style of your space. Meet me in the comments below. Tell me what's your favorite door and see you in the next video.